Hello, I'm Denley Symington, Customer Service Specialist at Yakta. We're going to be walking through engine will not crank or turn over troubleshooting procedures. Always ensure you're following the proper safety procedures outlined in your service manual. The tools you will need in this troubleshooting procedure are a multimeter and an 1/8" Allen key. Check the ignition switch fuse. If it is blown, replace it. Check your battery voltage. If it's below 12 volts, your battery needs to be charged or replaced. Remove the console cover using an 1/8" Allen key. Check all wiring and connections on the machine. Replace the ignition switch if the machine still will not turn over. Install the new one. And reinstall the cover. If you have further questions, feel free to reach out to your Yakta Client Care team at 866-925-8201 or email us at clientcare@yakta.com.